Howdy y'all, welcome to Nerd Studio. We're out at the range today again with the Sig P320. Just going to shoot a bunch of ammo through it and see how it performs. Stay tuned. Yeehaw! We got about 500 or 600 rounds through the old Sig P320 so far, and we're really digging it. Just came out to the range today with a grab bag of ammo. We're going to put a bunch of different stuff through it and see how it performs. The magazine, that was the UPS guy. Hey, dude, that's you delivering yet another round of packages. Here's some hollow points. We're just going to do a magazine full of hollow points and see what it does. I like it. It's a mixed bag of reloads. Shoots fine. I'm not a big fan of those reloads in this gun for some reason. They're plenty accurate. Get double tap worth of damn with those. Try another one. My back's been bugging me. I don't know if that's part of it. The trouble with not having a camera person, I don't know if you can hear me or not. I have to cut a lot of what I say out of my videos just simply because I forget to talk to the microphone. And we're loading and loading. Hey to the guy that warned me to about loading my magazines ahead of the video. Watch Hickok 45, knucklehead. It's one of the biggest channels on YouTube. And through every third 25-minute video, you sit there and watch him load his ammo. I love the guy, don't get me wrong, but you know, some people, what they expect out of videos. It's a little better. What else I got in here? Let's do this. Let's load a hollow point and a reload and a hollow point and some other kind of reload and a hollow point and a reload. Let's mag dump that. Hollow point every other round. I need to replace the sights on this gun. Ran fine though, huh? Another mixed bag mag. Hey, that rhymed. That was mostly reloads. Gun shoots great. Well, I don't know, no major revelations there, but just a lot of shooting. Again, I'm really impressed with the Sig P320. I can't wait to get my next evolution of this gun is to get the compact conversion kit for the 9mm and try and carry it and see how it does with as a carry piece. Get a good holster. You know, I'm not going to buy a holster yet because getting the compact conversion right now is I haven't been able to find it at a price I was willing to pay. So, but that's really the next evolution of this video. Once I do that, I'll try and pack this gun for a while and see how it works out for me and give some final thoughts then. But as a range gun or a full-size duty gun, I'm pretty darn impressed. Like I said, I really want to replace the sights on it. I'm still having some trouble with the Talon grips on it, getting them to stay. I may actually pull this set off and try and apply another. Maybe there was you know, some defect in the glue in this, although I really think it comes down to the textured surface of the lower just is making it hard for the glue to stick to it. I might send an email out to Talon and see if they've got any suggestions as well, and if they do, I'll get back to you on that. Okay, well, there you go. Sig P320 is some range time. Hope you all are having a happy new year. I may do one more video before it's 2016. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, yeah. Always remember, anyone can shoot. Anyone can shoot and have fun. Happy New Year. We'll see you next time.
Yeehaw!